Today we are going to make refrigerator cookies. We're going to use half cup cocoa powder, 1 stick butter, half cup milk, 2 cups sugar, and 3.5 cups of oatmeal. And we are going to put them all in the pan. First, we're going to put the butter in, and with a wooden spoon, after we're going to start stirring. We're going to add the sugar. Add the milk. And keep on stirring so it doesn't burn. Now we are going to put in some cocoa. And stir. Stir until it melts. We're going to stir until the butter melts and mixes with everything. And soon we are going to pour the oatmeal in. We are going to want it to be at high until it boils. And you don't want to stop stirring or it's going to burn. Okay, now mine is starting to boil and we set a timer for 3 minutes. And you want to stir and stir until the 3 minutes are over. Make sure you're scraping the bottom when you're stirring. So the bottom doesn't burn, and if you don't scrape, then your cookies will be burnt on the bottom. Okay, we're gonna start taking it off, and we're gonna start adding some oatmeal. We're going to put it back on the burner after adding oatmeal. You want to make sure you turn down your oven so the oatmeal isn't going to burn. When you're done stirring, it will look like this, and it'll all be ready. And then we're going to take it off, and we're going to turn off our burner. Now we're going to bring it over to our pan, and we're going to scoop up with a nice spoon, and we're going to plop. And we're going to get another. And we're going to do it until all of them are filled. And it's fine if you put them together, just not completely touching, because these will not be baking. So this batter will make about a dozen, a little bit more. Your cookies don't have to make a dozen, but they should make at least a dozen. Now we're going to put these cookies in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes.